love me the same? Would you vanish? Or would you not be ashamed to see me manic? Would you bring me back down when I panic? Could you be my Xanny? Without the liquor, we don't know how to behave. Touch of a finger, and you can make me insane. But when I'm sober, would you love me that way? Cause I'd be lower. Don't want you to be the same. You and I, we could fly so high we'll never die. Promise you won't leave my side. You and I, we can hide. Let's just leave it all behind. Promise you won't leave my side. You and
Baby, I told ya, I can be there if you just show somebody to hold ya, Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah, But you saw him perfectly perfect, I'll be there to reinstate that you worth it, All of my lessons, I learned them, now when it comes to my bridges, I burned them, Look, I'm tryna make some amends, I know you got mad when I asked you to bring in some friends, Fuck it, when this quarantine ends, I'm taking you to go shopping in France, I'm taking you to go visit my aunts. If it's underwhelming, just make sure you pretend. You and I, 10 out of 10, can you see what I see? Maybe switch up the lens. I switch up the frame in the picture, cause we doing everything that you could ever envision. I feel like I bust out of prison every time you sad, and I make you happy when I visit. I feel like I'm lost in the system of working every day, but you bring me down and I'm chilling. I can never do you wrong, let me take you far away, take my hand if you willing.
You and I, we could fly so high we'll never die. Promise you won't leave my side. You and I, we can hide. Let's just leave it all behind. Promise you won't leave my side. You and would you love me the same? Would you vanish? Or would you not be ashamed to see me manic? Would you bring me back down when I panic? Could you be my Xanny? Without the liquor, we don't know how to behave. Touch of a finger, and you can make